got a lightning storm here, guys. Check it out. Welcome everybody. This is my first official YouTube recording. I hope all is well and good to see you guys. So look at this lightning storm here in New York City. We're in New York Harbor, Brooklyn, New York. Welcome everyone. Good to see each and every one of you. I hope to see you more often. God bless each and every one of you. Wow. You're looking at the Verrazano Narrows Bridge, built in 1959, finished in 1964, right there, guys. The fourth largest single suspension bridge in the world. Amazing. Look at that lightning, wow. Check it out. Incredible. Pan around for you. Oh, I don't want to miss the lightning, the fireworks show right there. Wow, look at that lightning. Enjoy the fireworks. La Luna, the moon. Love the sounds of the ocean crashing up against the rocks, guys. Incredible. So peaceful. So tranquil.